Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Snapchat. Desktop on the application of how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Snapchat. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.